So she's being really kind of weird right now. So it took me a minute to corral her and talk her into get her up on my lap again. But so Tasia here, I'm figuring has just a couple of weeks left to go in her pregnancy. So we're getting awfully excited about that. And I'm really starting to see a bulge in her tummy. Let me see if she'll allow us to take a peek. And you can see that, oh, that's a nice tummy. Oh, give me kisses. That's a good girl. And so, okay, I'm sorry. It is feeling tight, and she's got the bulge on the side here. And when she walks and you look straight down on her spine, you can really see the bulge there starting to form. So it's real exciting for Mike and I because, well, personally, I haven't had a litter of kittens in my life since I was really, I'm going to say a teenager. Maybe I take that back. I guess we did have a litter when my kids were little. I let them experience it once, but just an experience for just Mike and I, it's just really kind of cool. And so we thought we'd let her have one litter, and I've already got homes lined up for them, so I'm not worried about that. But then we're going to get her fixed right away. But oh, she's just been such a wonderful, wonderful, loving pet. And because I've been working with her so regularly and handling her and purposely stroking her belly and playing with her feet, that allows me rather to examine her and really do a thorough exam on her throughout her pregnancy. So it's really nice. That's a nice tummy. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Oh boy, getting big. We're getting big. Yeah, starting to see some of your little teeth are starting to protrude. Don't have any milk yet. None yet. Pretty soon we're getting some girth there. Haven't felt any movement yet. But I expect probably in the next week or two I should start feeling a little movement. Yeah, you sure have a nice tummy. I love you. Another thing I like to do is use this blue appetite. And this is really good for pregnancy on all mammals. It has a frequency that's very calming. And oh, she just loves it. Yes, she just loves it. Isn't that nice? Oh, and you can just kind of stroke your kitty with it. And also just providing the warmth and the love, the intention of your love. The vibration in Reiki We are taught that it flows through your hands, and this is true for anyone. You don't have to study Reiki to be able to do this, and it has a lot of health benefits, not only to your kitty, but to you too when you're doing this. So it's kind of a double whammy you get. It's a twofer, I like to say. Yes. And so we can stroke the kitty with the lapis lazuli, and we can, I said blue apatite, didn't I, earlier? It's actually lapis lazuli. Let me let you get a good look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that gorgeous? And so, yeah, this is a lapis lazuli wand, and it has a special frequency in it that we like to use in Reiki to calm pregnant kitties. Yeah. And the more you handle your kitty, whether she's pregnant or not, the more that you develop a relationship with them, and also it provides for a calming, more coherent vibration that can then make sure that you're both at optimal health, and that the kittens can be at optimal health. Let's see if she'll let me use it on her tummy. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Now, sometimes she'll let me actually hold her like a baby. Let's see if she will. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. What a nice kitty you are. Yes. And we work with her feet. See, and I massage her foot. Oh, that feels good, doesn't it, Tasia? Are you in a playful mood? Would you like to play with your tail? Is your tummy getting too big to lay on your back? It might be uncomfortable for her now. She used to love to lay on her back, but the last, I'm going to say, week, she's kind of squirmed when I rolled her on her back. So I believe she might be starting to get uncomfortable. But that's all good, and it sure is exciting. So thank you for joining me on this Reiki for your pregnant kitty, and tune in, or stay tuned, I should say, because I'm going to go ahead and do more videos on her throughout her pregnancy. And oh boy, it's going to be so fun when those kittens come, and I promise to document all of it. Cool, because that's really groovy.